Hi YouTube, and this is JTrain997 back with another figure review. This time the DC Universe Classics Wave 6 Hawkman. I had complained before about how my retail outlets didn't really get these in, and now all of a sudden they're really keeping them in and getting them in quick as soon as they sell out. So I guess I'm lucky because I went there today and they had all but one figure and they had all the variants. I did not buy the variants, but they're there. Okay, he comes with the right arm of Calabac. Hawkman has very nice wings. According to the back of the box, they can extend and spread. He has a shield, his mace, and you can't really tell, but there's a sword right behind his shield. Okay, on to the back. There's Calabac when he's finished, Mr. Miracle, Hawkman, Killer Moth, Black Suit Superman, and Captain Marvel, who's the only one who was not at the store today. His biography just says in 15th century Egypt he was a prince and his beloved princess. They discovered a down spacecraft from Thanagar, and the exposure to the ship's anti-gravity metal allowed them to be reincarnated countless times through the rest of history. Currently, it's Hawkman and Hawkgirl. First appearance Flash Comics #1, real name Carter Hall, and he uses the weapons he comes with mainly to fight evil. A very cool figure. Now, I wasn't really a fan of Hawkman up until Justice League Unlimited came out and I started studying up on him. Then I realized how cool he was. So let's pull him out of the box. And here he is out of the box. As you can tell, the wingspan goes all the way out. Goes a little bit further than what I have it doing. But I think it looks best that way. There's a shield, which comes off, but his fist is clenched. He's got the mace, and as I said before, he has a sword back here. And I was really hoping to be able to hold... I was really hoping to be able to put the sword behind the shield, like in his hand, but that's impossible. Okay, he doesn't hold the mace very well, as you can tell now it's kind of crooked. And it isn't going to stay, I mean, it's not going to drop out of his hand by any means, but it comes really close. He holds the sword a little bit better, but there's no place to sheath the mace, so that's an issue. Okay. His wings are attached like this in the back. As you can see the joint holding both of them on. Lay him down real quick. His wings fold in. Very easy, just like he was in the box. And they can also fold straight back like that. So he can fit in a little closer over here. I'm going to pose him with the wings out though. Sorry. 1 second. Do a little shot of the sword in his hand. Like I said, I think the sword looks better. Wish they would have put a little thing for the mace in here. But really the truth is, with the sword in his hand, it has the same problem as the mace. He's barely holding on to it, and unlike the mace, this will fall out, as you can just tell. Sorry. So yeah, the sword and the mace, they're both fairly well detailed. I mean, they look like weapons. As close as you can get them. I don't really see where any extra detail would have came in. The shield stays on really well, but he can't hold the weapons that good at all, which is a disappointment. The head sculpt is nice. It's got the little helmet. You've got the straps on his chest, which are non-movable. And the good thing is, though, they don't really hinder the up and down joint that much at all, which is a really good thing. Overall, this figure is pretty awesome, especially with him trying the wing concept out. The weapons are a really big part, though, and while he does hold them well enough to where they won't fall out, was really hoping to see him hold them a little bit better, and like I said, right there with his fist clenched up and no hole in it, that was kind of disappointing. So, this is JTrain997. This is a pretty awesome guy. He's a $10 figure if you can find him. Or $11 at Walmart, I do believe. I'm gonna go 7 on this guy. He would have got an 8, but the weapons just bring him down so much. But if you're a Hawkman fan, grab him. Or if you're just trying to finish Calabac, which, speaking of, there's the right arm. He came packaged where like this entire joint was facing in a different way. As you can tell there, it actually has the tattoo. on the arm, which is a nice little touch. So this is JTrain 997. This guy gets a 7 out of 10. If you're a Hawkman fan, pick him up.